The eye is a sense organ that contains receptor cells that are stimulated by light. The structures of the eye work together to ensure the optimum amount of light enters the eye and is focused to give us a sharp image. The eye is enclosed in a tough, protective layer called the sclera. This allows the eye to attach to the eye socket and stay in place. The front of the eye is covered by a thin structure called the conjunctiva. The cornea is directly behind this and bends the light as it enters the eye. The shape of the eye is held by the aqueous and vitreous humors. The retina contains the light-sensitive cells and contains a network of neurons and blood capillaries. The lens is directly behind the pupil. It bends the light to focus it on the retina. Its shape is controlled by the ciliary muscles and suspensory ligaments. The pupil is the hole in the center of the iris that lets light enter. The pupil gets bigger in dim light and smaller in bright light. The light that enters the eye first passes through the conjunctiva, then the cornea, through the pupil and finally through the lens where it is focused on the retina. The light receptors detect the light and send an impulse to the brain through the optic nerve. The brain receives the impulse and we can see.